So today we'll talk about untouchability. Untouchability is a major blot on Hindu society in India. Incidentally, there is no mention of the term untouchability in Hindu scriptures. This term was first used by MAHARAJA of BARODA, and it was Ambedkar who popularized the term untouchables to talk about the condition of certain castes which have been subjected to various disabilities. In fact, it is the Indian version of apartheid as practiced in South Africa. The only difference being that unlike South Africa, apartheid was not officially approved by the state. In fact, Article 17 of the Constitution abolishes untouchability. But the ghost of untouchability still lingers. That people were subjected traditionally to lack of access to temples, public facilities like wells. They were denied professional services, and they were even not allowed to dress and adorn their bodies. So it was a subhuman existence to which they were condemned. Now, untouchability, while it was a stigma because the untouchables were considered impure, it was not a defense. As Smita Narula has pointed out, that every day 3 Dalit women are raped and 11 Dalits are assaulted every day. So the struggle for survival for the untouchables continues. However, there is a silver lining in the cloud, that according to a study conducted by Action Aid India, out of 550 villages they studied, more than 50% villages did not practice untouchability. So gradually this wretched practice is now dying out.